This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming in the new Area 51 exterior color, but let's take a look inside. First, looking at the hatch, which does have a separate rear glass if you just need to reach in quickly, but then it opens up to give you a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this rugged cargo mat, you do have your fifth full-size spare with compartments around it for any other tools or equipment. Got a 12-volt power outlet, some hooks here. You even have some articulating spotlights here on the tailgate, or the hatch, I guess you would say, which can be moved as you like. And then looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and a USB and USB-C. The backs of the two front seats also have some zippered pouches and molly rigging so that you can hook some stuff onto there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, your driver assistance features, your navigation, radio and phone, and information such as service info and warnings. And then on the left you have your cruise controls with adaptive cruise control, and your hands-free hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock here. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then moving down from that, you have your media controls here, as well as your auto start stop shut off and your hazards, and you have a little cubby here for your device or whatever, and your climate controls here with heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And down below you have another cubby area here with a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it'll begin to charge. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very simple, easy to use, your parking brake, brake hold, and two cup holders. And then you have your GOAT modes, your goes over any terrain, I believe. For all of your terrain modes, you have normal, you have stand, and then you have eco, sport, and slippery, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with another 12-volt inside, so that's always nice too. And then last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top, so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.